channel is about our daily vlogs, not like a particular, project from.
Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, it is absolutely pouring outside, and it has been all day. This is one of them tests that I'm not really looking forward to. We're going to test out a lot of things. We're going to first do my third try on my camera mount, on the boom mount for this DIY GoPro. Then we're going to check the Polaris and see if it leaks or not. And if I'm brave enough, we'll go to the waterfall and just see how bad that is. And I'll show you some of the other creeks, because everything is just everywhere. Plus, we'll obviously take it out in the rain and the mud. Oh, the other thing we're testing is this GoPro Hero 10. The screen is supposed to be like, it's waterproof, but it's also not supposed to drop, fog up or drop with water droplets, so we'll see. All right, here we go. Pouring rain.
Alright, a real quick note on today's adventure here before we get going. So I have my GoPro on a narrow setting, which I accidentally forgot to change it back to the wide setting. So today's videos I think are great. There's some really cool stuff we're going to see, but for future reference I have it on wide now. I reset it, so I think angles like this where I'm using my DIY GoPro stick are going to be that much better than today. Just something to keep in mind, and I hope to see you on future videos. So let's get in some mud, get in some rain, and check things out and test quite a few things today. Broke. This thing just spun. Let's put you in a new spot anyways.
sure how long that'll hold in the back like it is.
So this angle right here, I was just testing it out, but now that I'm switched to wide angle, this will be a fantastic angle in the future, because that wide angle will get the entire buggy and a few feet in front and back. So anyways, just another experiment.
Trying a little different camera angles. Alright, I'm backing down a pretty steep hill and I like the engine braking in reverse. I guess I never really paid that close attention because you usually don't have to back down.
So if you've been with my little mini series, this is the same spot I got stuck in last time when I took our very first ride. These trails are super narrow. There's not enough room to turn around yet. I mean, I'll fix that eventually. And of course I got an 8-foot GoPro stick on the front, so I got to back my way out and find another exit route to get out of this spot.
Not bad for being wet.
So I'm going to call it in here for today, but definitely stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to put up a separate little vlog on the rock sliders with that big rock that I hit, if it did any damage, and also we'll do a follow-up on the SC1 protectant and see how that worked. Again, our channel is about our daily vlogs, not like a particular, project from start to finish, because hey, life is a journey, and we're living the dream one day at a time, 1 acre at a time. So definitely stay tuned. We appreciate you guys being on board, and hopefully you stay dry and you ain't getting this massive rain that we are getting. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot.